Suppose that we have given this function which is 8 plus ln of x, right, and everything raised to the power 9, and our goal is to find the derivative of that function. So how can we do this? So we have a function, some function here raised to the power something. So when we have that, we can use the generalized power rule, right? So what is generalized power rule? If you have f to the power n, then we bring the power down, write down the function as it is, subtract the power by 1 and multiply by the derivative of the f. But remember that f is actually the function which is in the base. So on this case, 8 plus ln x, right, is the f on this formula. Okay, so if that is the case, let's apply that formula. All right, so what do we have on the formula? N, and n is actually the power, right? So n is the power, so which is 9 on this case. Write that down. And after that we have f, right? So what is f? F is 8 plus ln x, so write that down. And then we have f to the power n minus 1, so that means we need to subtract 1 in the power, so 9 minus 1 will be 8. Write that down. And times f prime, so times f prime, that means derivative of what, which f? The base function, so derivative of 8 plus ln x. So let's find the derivative of 8 plus ln of x. Alright, so now this is equal to 9 times 8 plus ln of x raised to the power 8. Let's write down this term as it is, okay? Times, now let's do the derivative. What is the derivative of the 8? 8 is a constant, right? So the derivative is 0 plus, what is the derivative of ln x? Derivative of ln x is 1 over x. We have that formula, right? So I can just write that down. Alright, so derivative is done. But if you wanna rewrite little bit on a different way this form, then you can see that 0 plus 1 over x will be just 1 over x, multiply with 9 will be, we can write down here as 9 over x, right? So times 8 plus ln of x raised to the power 8, and this is the derivative of the given function.